Have you ever spent hours writing pages of notes only to realize that you can't remember anything when it's time to study? The problem isn't that you're not taking enough notes, it's that you're not taking them effectively. Great notes are not about making your notebook look aesthetic, they're about making information easy to understand, organize, and revise. The good news is that anyone can improve their note-taking with a few simple habits and the right stationery. In today's video, I'll walk you through 5 practical tips that take you from choosing the right notebook and pens to creating notes that are clear, memorable, and exam-friendly. Whether you're in school, college, or preparing for competitive exams, these methods will help you save time, reduce stress, and remember information much better. So grab your notebook and let's learn how to take notes that actually work. Tip 1. Start with the right stationery. Effective notes begin before you even write your first word. Choosing the right stationery can make note-taking easier and more enjoyable. Start with a notebook that suits your needs. A ruled notebook is perfect for theory subjects, while a dotted notebook gives you flexibility for diagrams, tables, and mind maps. Use smooth paper so your writing stays neat and doesn't smudge. Next, choose one comfortable black or blue pen for your main notes. Instead of using 10 different colors, keep it simple by using only 2 or 3 highlighters. For example, yellow for definitions, green for examples, and pink for important formulas. Sticky notes are useful for reminders, while page tabs help you find chapters quickly. A ruler keeps headings and tables clean, and correction tape helps fix mistakes without making your notes messy. Always keep your stationery organized in a pencil pouch so you don't waste study time searching for supplies. Remember, expensive stationery isn't necessary. Comfortable, reliable tools that you enjoy using are enough. When your notebook is neat and your supplies are organized, you'll naturally feel more motivated to write, making your study sessions smoother and more productive. Tip 2. Organize every page. Before writing, many students start writing immediately and end up with confusing pages. Instead, spend a minute organizing your page before taking notes. Write the chapter title clearly at the top, followed by the date and topic. Leave a small margin on one side where you can later add keywords, questions, or quick revision points. Divide long information into headings and subheadings instead of writing everything in one paragraph. Use bullet points for lists and number steps whenever you're explaining a process. Leave some empty space between sections so you can add extra information later without making the page crowded. If your teacher explains an important example, box it separately so it stands out. Use simple symbols like stars for important facts, question marks for confusing concepts, and arrows to connect related ideas. This organized layout makes your notebook much easier to read during revision. Instead of searching through messy pages, you'll immediately know where every concept is located. A well-organized notebook saves time, improves concentration, and helps your brain process information in a structured way. Tip 3. Write smart, not everything. One of the biggest mistakes students make is trying to write every single word from the teacher or textbook. Effective note-taking is about understanding first and writing second. Listen carefully, identify the main idea, and write it in your own words. Short sentences are much easier to revise than long paragraphs. Use abbreviations for common words such as because becoming B/C or important becoming imp. Create your own symbols if they help you write faster. Focus on definitions, formulas, key concepts, examples, and important explanations instead of copying unnecessary details. If you miss something, leave a blank space and complete it later instead of panicking. When reading from textbooks, summarize each paragraph into 1 or 2 clear points. This process forces your brain to understand the topic rather than simply copying it. Remember, your notebook is a learning tool, not a photocopy of the textbook. Smart notes are shorter, clearer, and much easier to revise before exams. The goal isn't to fill pages, it's to fill your mind with understanding. Tip 5. Review and improve your notes regularly. Taking notes is only half the process. The real learning happens when you review them regularly. Spend 5 to 10 minutes after each class reading through your notes while the lesson is still fresh in your mind. Correct mistakes, complete missing information, and highlight the most important ideas. At the end of the week, review all your notes again and test yourself without looking at the answers. Cover one section and try to explain it aloud from memory. If you struggle, that's the part you need to revise more. Add sticky notes with extra examples or memory tricks whenever necessary. If a page feels too crowded, rewrite it neatly before exams. Every few weeks, create one-page summary sheets that combine the most important information from each chapter. These summaries become powerful revision tools during final exams. Remember, notes are not meant to stay closed inside a notebook. They should be used, reviewed, and improved repeatedly. Consistent revision transforms ordinary notes into long-term knowledge, making exams less stressful and boosting your confidence.